uh, at a very grassroots level, whatever it keeps on keeping the track, and that
Uh,
realignment get mixed. Same as your hard drive, right? You
oh,
will this your disk, you will resize or no, that option is there, no, you will scrub your disk and you will make it again realign all the data.
mm-hmm.
What is that called? That's you understood the logic,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, almost there.
Run applications, it will rearrange all the data in your disk.
Oh, okay.
Same is applicable for the memory.
I see. Okay. I'll reboot it after the class then.
Okay.
All right.
So just to keep you posted, 12th
Mm.
September, I'm going for my
Uh-huh.
VMware exam,
No problem.
the
Yeah.
foundation one.
Okay.
Mm,
And the main exam?
Most likely I'll give on from home. Main exam, they're insisting me on October first week, but
October first week. Okay.
first week. But what my plan is, if possible, by October at least first week, I'll finish my study, finish all
Okay.
the classes with you. So do you think it's a feasible
Yeah,
idea
yeah.
even if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
do 4 days a class?
Yeah, actually, you can do it on September itself. If you want last week of September, you can do it. Or if you don't want to
Okay.
rush, you can.
Let us see. Let us see.
Okay.
No, I actually take a little time to understand the things.
No problem. No problem. Take your time.
So I do not want to rush.
Yeah.
Mm,
Exam, the foundation exam, you connect with the Zoom and then share the screen. We both will do.
hmm.
I'll just monitor if there is anything wrong, I can correct it.
Yeah, I will give a try. If there is something wrong, then you help me with the thing.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. And when it comes to the foundation exam, all
Yeah.
these things we are learning, everything will be end to end we have to, or it is just the overview thing?
End to end, it will come end to end. And few things what we've discussed, what we have not discussed will come as it will be related to other products. Like there is a product called Horizon. There is a product called VMware Horizon View. There are few.
VMware Horizon View.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very few questions related to other products also will come, but we can tackle it.
Okay.
Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Okay. But when is data center virtualization, it will very specific to what we
Yeah,
are studying now, right?
that's right. That's right. Yeah, it will be
Mhm.
specific to the core products.
Hmm. So if possible, Prithya, I do not want to break this flow, but if possible, maybe on maybe like uh, 30 or 29th or 30th.
Yeah,
Okay. You just give me an idea about the other product line, maybe one separate session if you are comfortable.
yeah, yeah. And I'm okay to do that.
Okay, that is one thing. And second thing is I have to give a presentation on VMware.
Oh, okay, super.
I do not know what would be the topics I need to cover.
You can just pick up the topics from our meet. Just go to our
Exactly.
day, yeah, drive. Just
Day
drive
to day,
videos.
and
Yeah,
I'm exactly doing that.
yeah,
But
yeah. You can just
uh,
cut short it, and you don't have to go in detail about what we are doing. We do lab and all. Just gonna
hmm.
give presentation, right? You don't need a lot of time.
Yeah, exactly,
Cut short
exactly.
it.
So actually, there are a couple of people who are appearing for the VMware exam.
Oh,
So
okay.
I'm the only one from the level one. So
Oh,
all are rest, everyone are in-house level two. So they
oh,
have a huge experience. On average, each person has an experience of 9 to 10 plus year only in storage.
oh, okay.
So they are like our super senior kind of them. We have something called we like you guys have when we elevate a case, you go for a help, you probably go for a level two outside
Yeah,
your team. We have something called in-house L2.
yeah, got it, got it. Don't worry. I
So
mean, the
yeah,
that we are
so
going through. Yeah.
I'm not sure about the presentation date. What I've thought is
Mm-hmm.
even if it is happening end of September,
Mm-hmm.
whatever we are covering so far, I'll pick
Okay.
up one or two topics and
Okay.
I'll prepare as much as possible. If need any help, I'll reach you.
Okay. Okay. Sure, no problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Fine, fine. That's all.
And yeah, we just need to do one small topic refresh on networking. So actually, I thought of doing it in second part, but we couldn't get through because of the time length that we discussed, right? And so this is types of networking. So we saw port groups. If you remember, there are three types of port groups. What are they?
I remember the port groups, but I haven't gone through the
No
three
problem.
types of
So that's management, VM kernel, and virtual machine port group, right?
management, VM kernel, and virtual machine port group. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So these are the management port groups, but there is something called switch. We saw vSwitch. You see, right?
Correct.
vSwitch we
Correct.
saw. So inside vSwitch, there are two types of
I
vSwitch.
think 1 minute. The display is something
You
wrong.
don't see
I'm
the
not
screen
able to.
yet? I'm sharing it. Do you see it? You don't see it?
Okay. Yeah. Now I got it. Yes.
Okay, wait. Let me switch the Wi-Fi. How about now?
Yeah. It's stable now. It's stable
Okay.
now.
Okay, it will be stable. All right. So we saw vSwitch, right? What is vSwitch?
vSwitch is the virtual device which connects the VNIC with the VMNIC,
Yeah. So
which helps to
here's
communicate between the VNIC and the VMNIC.
that's true. Now, if you see here in vSwitch, I'm just going to the lab and I'm showing you the vSwitch layer. Where can we find vSwitch here?
We go to the specific ESXi,
Okay.
and then under VM kernel adapter we get under networking, come to networking,
Yeah.
and then under virtual switch here.
Yeah, got it. Super. So if you see here, if when I click on it, I see all those vSwitches here, right?
Correct.
And you said we have to go under the host, right? Under host only I'll be able to see. And here,
Correct.
so do you see if you see switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and here
Hmm.
if you see there is something called standard switch.
Correct.
So there are two types of switches available in the ESXi. One
Hmm.
is standard switch, that is called VSS, standard switch.
Okay.
And there is something called VDS, standard and distributed switch. Okay.
Okay.
So what is standard and what is distributed? Standard is under the host.
Okay.
If you see, as you said, we have to go into the host and then go into the networking part and then I have to click on the switch. With
Yes.
distributed, I don't have to do for each and every host. I can do it on the vCenter layer. It's like a shadow on the top of the vCenter. So for example, I
Okay.
have 3 hosts in the environment, 1, 2, and 3. I
Hmm.
don't want to create each and everything. I can just go to the networking part here and then
Hmm.
I can right click and then I can create a new switch here on the data center.
Okay.
New distributed switch.
Distributed switch.
Huh.
Okay.
New distributed switch, but the port group remains the same. The 3 types of port groups remain the same. So under
Hmm.
distributed switch, you have different versions. That and all, you don't have to worry about that. So I'm just
Okay.
choosing randomly number of uplinks. Uplinks comes for each and every switch. If you remember, for each and every switch, there is uplinks. I've
Which
just created,
connects to the external thing.
yeah, true. We'll connect to the external hardware,
Hmm.
external network. Yeah.
Hmm.
So if I create it there, I'll be having one common vSwitch for the whole environment. So
Okay.
what's the benefit of doing this